What's up? How are you? I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to play Fallen Down from Undertale on the ukulele. Keep in mind that this is a short part of the song I'm going to do. Thank you to this lovely person who made this tutorial on it, so that's what I'm going to be using today to teach you guys. It's going to be different from that tutorial because I'm going to be breaking it down into parts, showing how to play it, where to put your fingers, and just slowing it down, because personally for me, I like learning that way, and maybe some of you guys want to learn that way too, and maybe easier for you guys to learn and take it one part at a time. I put all the parts in timestamps, and so yeah. So first, let's talk about the ukulele. Okay. This is for all my beginners out there. This is the fretboard. I will be referring to the fretboard throughout the video and where to place your finger. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So I say if I was oh, this string, 5th fret, you would put your finger on that string. And so, but the strings actually have assigned numbers and letters. So going from bottom to top, which would be your lowest, it'd be G, C, E, A. Well, A. And make sure it's in the standard tuning, which is G, C, E, A. And the numbers would be from bottom to top, 4, 3, 2, 1. I will be referring to the numbers more throughout the video because I think it's just easier for me, maybe easier for you. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna play a preview of the first part, what you're gonna learn. And so it sounds like this. And so we're just gonna do that part first. Okay, you wanna have your index finger across the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string on the 9th fret. I will also be putting a guide up here just so you know where to place your finger if you don't know. That's what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like when you have it there. And of course, you don't have to put it across those 3 strings. If you can't, you can use your middle finger and your ring finger to get the same effect. But just for me, I'm just gonna be putting it across the 3 strings. So with this, there's a little pattern to it. You want to pluck the 3rd and 1st string at the same time, then 2nd, 1, 2nd, 1, 2nd, 1, 2nd. I think that's how many times to do it. So slowed, it would sound like this. And then you would do that a 2nd time. So you do that same pattern 2 times, if that makes sense. And there you go, that's how you do that little bit. And then you want to take your index finger, put it on the 7th fret, 2nd string, then 5th fret, 2nd string, then 9th fret, 2nd string. And together, slow down, this is what the whole part sounds like. I'll play a little bit slower. And this is what it sounds like up to speed. There you go, that's the first part. Good job if you were able to learn all that. I hope that throughout this tutorial what I'm saying makes sense and you can understand it, because I'm not good at teaching tutorials, and this is the first time I've actually done a tutorial really on this channel. I don't really do tutorials, so enough rambling, let's go on to the next part. Okay, welcome to the second part, and this is what it will sound like when you get it down. Okay, so now that you know what it sounds like, this is how to play it. First thing you want to do, 5th fret, 2nd string. Then move your finger to 7th fret, 2nd string, then 7th fret, 1st string, then 6th fret, 1st string, and back to 7th fret, 1st string, and then 9th fret, 1st string, then 6th fret, 1st string, then 7th fret, 2nd string. So let's hope I said that right, and we're gonna play through it slowly now. There's that little bit. I'm gonna play a little bit faster. Then up to speed. There you go. I hope that made sense. That was a lot of frets and strings and the stuff to memorize, but there will always be a guide right here, and at the end I will play along, like I do another play along of the whole song. So yeah, 3rd part. Okay guys, so here's a 3rd part. This is what it'll sound like when it's all together. Okay, so it's the strumming pattern is similar to the 1st part in the beginning. So the first thing I'm gonna do, index finger, 7th fret, 3rd string, middle finger, 7th fret, 2nd string, then pinky, 9th fret, 1st string. First thing I want to do, pluck the 3rd and 1st string, then 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, then switch your index finger to 6th fret, 2nd string, middle finger, 7th fret, 3rd string, and keep your pinky where it's at. Then the 3rd and 1st string again. Then this time it's shorter, so it's 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then switch your pinky to the 10th fret, and finish it off. But this is what it sounds like all together. There you go, that's the part. Let's speed it up a little bit. There you go, that's the 3rd part. Okay, and on to the 4th and final part. This is what it'll sound like. So, you can tell it slows down a lot in this section. So first thing you want to do, index finger, 3rd string, 9th fret, middle finger, 9th fret, 1st string, then ring finger, 10th fret, 2nd string. And the strumming pattern is also similar from the last part, but short again. So it's 3 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, then 7th fret, 1st string, then 9th fret, 1st string. Then you want to take either your index finger or your 3 fingers and put them on a 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string on the 2nd fret. And then you pluck 3, 1, then 2, and then move up the fret to around here. So index finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, middle finger, 3rd string, 4th fret, then your ring finger can be on the 5th fret, 1st string. So it's not like that. And you do 3, 2, no, 3, 1, then 2. Then move your ring finger to 4th fret, 1st string, then 3, 1, and just strum, then pluck the 3, 1. I'm sorry if that was confusing, but again, there will be, as you follow along with the guide, it might be easier. And this is what it sounds like slowed. Let's put it all together. I'm gonna play it very slow first. to speed. That's the whole song. Shout out to this person for requesting me making a tutorial on it, and thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and until next time, see ya.